Wanted for law enforcement officer killed or seriously injured in line of duty on Tuesday, July 19, 2022 at 10:41 a.m. at 21st Street, North Kansas City, Missouri. Suspect vehicle is a gray Ford Focus bearing Missouri registration 03GU43. Vehicle/suspect last seen westbound 21st Street from Clay Street. Suspect is a white male with brown hair. Officer initiated a traffic stop on the vehicle. The driver exited the vehicle and began firing on the officer, causing serious injury. If located, contact your local law enforcement or call 911.